Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take this dry old wash and go and refresh it into a new moisturized style. So since I have thick hair, I'm going to be putting my hair in sections, and I'm going to use my Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream as well as my Eco Solid gel and oil of choice. So now I'm just going to take my spray bottle and spritz my hair with water, and then after that I'm going to apply my Cantu curl activator cream, and then on top of that generously apply my Eco Solid gel. And I'm just going to take my Tangle Teaser brush and redefine my ends and make sure that I detangle any knots that I may have in my hair. So after I'm done with each side, I'm going to take my oil of choice and make sure to apply it to my hair and seal all the moisture in. And now I'm going to be laying down my edges. This is optional, but I do feel like it gives it a cleaner look. So at this point, I am done with refreshing my hair, but you could air dry, but it takes my hair forever to dry. So I'm going to use a diffuser, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer without the diffuser and just make sure all of my roots are dry. Now I'm just going to stretch my hair out just so I can have more length. So this is the end of the video. In my opinion, my hair looks a lot more moisturized and defined. The whole process only took about 15 to 20 minutes, so it's very quick to do. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe. And thanks for watching.